Good morning! 50 pieces ready to ship. So, good evening and good morning. Matutulog na ako. Kapoy eh. Good evening and good morning. It's alive. So ayan. Kakatapos na natin magre-grind, guys. Napaka-dirty rin ito. Ready to ship. 50 pieces, guys. Yes. Luzon, Visayas, at Mindanao. Alright. So ayan yung delivery boy natin, guys. Oh, ang dami niya, no? Pakita mo, Aring. Oh, ang dami niya, no? Alright. Alright. Anong oras na? Oras na para matulog. Matutulog na kami. Bye-bye.